For the egg, I used white and yellow Play-Doh. Here you just have to remove the extra Play-Doh from the sides.
Is it shape?
Yes. And you see, it's a perfect egg, sunny side up.
Circle.
Now let's make the bacon. For the bacon, I'm gonna use red and white Play-Doh.
Donate.
Whoa, this looks like real bacon. Let's make one more. This is my favorite kind of breakfast.